me forever. I want you to welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have today? We have the inverse of a matrix. Now, the inverse of a matrix is just like when you have the inverse of a number. For example, I take a number like 2. The inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. And this will give me 1. Now, the inverse of a matrix is the matrix times our inverse will give us the identity element, our I. And our identity element is when you have a square matrix where the leading diagonals are 1, the identity matrix. So our A, the matrix times the inverse, is equals to the identity element. And this is for a 2 by 2 matrix. This is the identity element. 1 times 1, 1. So that's the identity element. Okay, now if I have a 2 by 2 matrix, or let's say A matrix A is equals to, let's say A, B, C, and D. These are the elements. The inverse of this matrix. Now take note, a matrix has an inverse if only the determinant of the matrix is not equals to 0. That's only when the condition for a matrix to have an inverse. If the identity, the determinant of the matrix is 0, then the matrix has no inverse. So if I have a matrix here, A, and I have that the elements are A, B, C, D. Now the inverse of this is equals to, now the first thing we do is we swap the diagonals. That's 1 over, we take the adjoint, and the adjoint of this matrix, is, we swap the leading diagonals. We swap it, this becomes D, and this comes here. That's the first thing. When we are finding the inverse, you swap the diagonals, the leading diagonals. A will come here, D will come up. Now you multiply the other ones by -1. So when I multiply B by -1, I will have negative B. And when I multiply C by -1, I have negative C. So the inverse of this is the adjoint divided by the determinant. So the determinant of this is A times D. Remember how we did it in the previous videos? A times D, that's AD minus B times C, BC. So this is D, negative B, negative C, and A. So the inverse of this matrix is the adjoint divided by the determinant of the matrix.